Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. I have been showing you various interesting ways, techniques, tricks and activities to enhance your vocabs. So today we are going to learn vocabs in an effective way, and that is with the help of storytelling. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started.
Today, I would like to speak on thirsty crow. One day, the thirsty crow was flying in search of water. It saw the pot of water. He flew down, but its beak could not reach the level of water. The crow got an idea. It started putting pebbles in the pot. The level of water began to rise. The crow quenched its thirst and flew away. The moral of the story is use your brain in tricky situations. Thank you.
So friends, here you could see the use of simple past tense in storytelling activity. So this way you can also choose any story and practice well. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you soon.